Hey, how you doing? It's Paul. Listen, it's time I did another sort of run through of this for you. So imagine like you start a business, a home-based business, you're all excited, and then you have to promote. Okay, so you might go off and buy solo ads. Never really had success with solo ads. You might go and buy leads. They are real people. The source I use, I'm in the UK though, so to text them, which is the best way, it's hard. Okay, and what most people do, and what they should be doing, is promoting consistently on social media. Right. What happens though is we all get busy. It doesn't work fast enough for us. We move on to another project. Okay. And these are the things that are been going on now for the last, I don't know, 16, 17 years that I've been doing this stuff online, right? Been working with Eric like 16 years, I think I worked out now. So it's more. Okay. So undoubtedly, people will come and say that they're not having any success. And when I say show me your marketing, there kind of isn't any, right? So I'm going to show you a solution today, right? Let me show you a solution to help you out, right? So just imagine, because what you'd ideally want to do is go and hire a social media agency. You want to go and hire somebody that could do your social media for you, right? But obviously that costs more than the program costs you. If you join HBA, for example, you can make $1,000 a month with just 8 referrals. Well, how much is a social media agency going to charge you, right? Going to charge you more than the cost of HBA to promote HBA. It's kind of crazy. So this is the solution. If I can share my screen, I'll show you the solution. Right. Okay. So we developed Posting Pilot. Now we haven't kind of promoted this per se, right? For a little while because it's been developing, right? It's because of the founders. We had founders come in, feedback from them, changes in AI, okay, ideas, that have come along. And then I'll be honest with you, because of that, there's been a few things that maybe haven't worked as great as they should have, right? And there's been a reason for that. That's all been sorted now. There were 6 databases, now there's one, right? Excuse me. So, what would a social media agency do for you, right? What would a social media agency do? Well, the first thing they would do is they would ask about you. They'd say, well, tell me about you. Tell me about your business. What is it you're trying to promote? Well, we have our thing called the brand brain, right? So the brand brain, you go in, you do what they call a first flight. So you go and you say, let's have a look. So it's like lessons. Lessons come from your weekly results, what you approve, what you cut, what you edit. So it's learning from that. You put your company in and so it's learning about your company. What is it? Okay, it's got the information from the website. Look, plenty of stuff filled in there. I need to fill a little bit more in some of this, I think, right? Learning all the time with it to make it better and better, but it does a bloody good job. Teach it about your offer, teach it about your audience, give it your voice, okay? Put proof in, put visuals in, like products, like yourself, if you want yourself to be in the stuff that it creates, right? So what promotions do you have? That is what a social media agent would do for you. In our case, his name's Otto, right? He's our mascot, Autopilot, right? So anyway, so Otto via the brand brain, okay, will ask you all of these things, ask you for some reference photos, and get this, he'll even ask you who's your competition, who do you want to follow, who do you want to beat. Let's see what they're doing. Let's see what we can do around what they're doing. Okay. You can put your website in, which I've done. You can record your voice. You can even record a video so it can use you as a reference, right? It's pretty cool. Now, the core of this was to be a weekly plan. So now that it's got the information, what would a social media agency do? They'd say, hey, I'll go and I will post for you. Now, if you go and look at social media agencies, typical cost minimum 500 tends to be up to, well, maybe you can get some for like 300 a month from what I've been looking at, but tends to be the average is between 500 and $1,500 plus. And if you look down at those lower levels, like the $500, they're often like one post a week, 2 posts a week. Because we're using AI, guess what? 7 posts. 7 posts. Schedule the week. Away it goes. Okay. If you want to do next week, already done. Right. Want to do the week after, already, you just schedule the week and it does it. So let's come back to this week. So it's got images of me, look, it's got me kind of explaining stuff. This is my consistent posting. This is the stuff you need to do. This is the boring bit where nobody wants to go and write 7 posts and create 7 images just to keep a consistent profile out there. Okay. So then this one here, let's look at this one. Okay, it's got a fantastic post. You can go and read them. I'll tell you where to go get them, I think, at the end. But what if I want to replace the media? Okay. I can just go and change it here. So we're going to make new, and I want a video for this one, and it's going to go now. I'll have just a 5-second video. Okay, for speed, we'll do a square one. Go and create me a video, please. So with that post, I want a video. We don't auto create the videos because they cost money to do with AI, and that will use my credits, right? Okay. But okay, so that whole process, and it used to take 15 minutes. I timed it yesterday and it took 10. Okay. So it generates your week's worth of posts in like 10 minutes. So social media agency, tell us about yourself and what you do. Tell us about your competitors. Okay, now we'll do a week's worth of plans. Okay. What will it do after that? Well, guess what? Every week, if you've got a good social media agency, they should actually look at the results. Right? That's what they should do. They probably only do it once a month. And by the way, they're using AI anyway. Right. Do you think they're doing it the old school way? If they are doing it the old school way, they're a lot more expensive than this. I'll tell you that now, right? Okay, but most of them, if you go on YouTube, there are millions of videos telling you how you can set up your own social media agents today and charge the client $2,000 a month and do it all on AI in 5 minutes, right? We're just upfront about it. Okay, so I've got 38 followers on this page, which isn't a lot, but I've been seen 2,700 times, and I've got 74 likes and comments. Okay, this is the Monday stuff, blah, 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 blah. Oh, look, build next week from what worked. So if you hired a good social media agency, wouldn't they do that? Shouldn't they do that? They should analyze the results and do more of what works for you as the customer, right? Oh, by the way, this can learn from everybody, not just you. Yeah. So if somebody has a standout post, guess what? It can do more of that as well for you. So, okay, so we've taken care of our weekly plan, and then you're going to go, okay, that's great, but these weekly things, the consistent stuff, it's not always the most interesting, it doesn't always get the most attention, and yet it's what people need to see. And what I would still encourage you to do your own posts on top of this, by the way. This doesn't know when it's your birthday if you want to do something like that. This doesn't know if your company's got a special offer on maybe or something, or you've got a particular passion you want to promote at the minute. But this will cover your basic promotion, and you could walk away and leave it. I would still encourage you to do a little bit more. So maybe what you want to do is you want to make a viral video like you've been seeing me post. Why? Because this is what the algorithm wants. I think it was the golf one, got 9,000 views, right? I've just done the Matrix one, that got that's 2,300 views, I think now. These are what feed the Matrix, and it's so difficult, guys, to use. It's so difficult, right? So I'm going to come here, and let's suppose I want to do the catwalk one. Okay, I click on the catwalk one, and I just upload one image of me, and guess what? It will make that video of me, and I can put my own text on it as well if I want to make like a little meme out of it. So that's something you can do on your own, and these are going down a storm. People are absolutely loving these. Well, guess what? I want to make a UGC style promo, right? User-generated content. We're calling them viral video promos, right? And we have a breakout product for the viral videos and for this as well. It will still work with Posting Pilot though, right? They all use the same credits and the same login, right? So let's suppose I want a straight up review, and I'm going to pick my product. Okay, I can do it from my website. I haven't got. In fact, I'll show you one in a minute. Okay, I'll show you one in a minute. So maybe I'm a part of a health and wellness company, and I've got a jar of, I don't know, detox stuff, detox powder, right? That makes a milkshake that helps you detox. I want to do a video on that. Guess what? Drop the product URL link in. Tell it anything you want it to say. It will make you a UGC style video. Let's see if I can show you real quick. Let me show you a UGC style video really quick. So one option you could do using Posting Pilot is you could run your own social media agency. Hint, hint. Okay. And I'll come on to more on that in a minute. But let me show you some examples. These are all made with Posting Pilot. These are all Posting Pilot, right? So let me show you this fish. This is the last one I did for a fish and chip company.
Just picked up fish and chips from Atlantic Fish and Chips, and honestly, this is exactly what you want. Crispy batter, fresh fish, proper chips, and that classic takeaway taste. If you're craving real fish and chips, give Atlantic a try.
Okay, so that's an example of a viral video promo or a UGC, user-generated content style. And here's some examples of posts that we've created for food outlets, right? for an agency I've set up, right? So, and guess what's running it? Posting Pilot, right? Okay, so we can do your standard posting, we can do your viral stuff, we can do ordinary videos, okay, and we can do user-generated style stuff. And Matt's just improving this at the minute, Studio Recipes. What should this content do? YouTube thumbnail, ad creative, on-brand image post, I found a story, okay, UGC, a cinematic product video. We've also got little like proper adverts coming, not UGC, just like here's a product, make me an advert to promote this product. Brilliant, right? It's all happening, right? So social media agency, I can't talk today, learns about you, yes. Posts for you, yes. Learns what else, works and should adapt according to that. Yes, tick. And your competitors, yes, tick. Okay. Everything that it makes is saved for you, right? Yes, you can refer it. It's 3 and free. So you get paid from the first one, but it's basically 35% commission. So if you refer 3 people to this, yours is free. Okay. And what else do I want? Oh yeah, you want to make something a bit extra special. You've got viral videos to help with the algorithm, and you've also got the UGC videos. So then I was talking about, well, maybe you could create an agency out of this. Absolutely, you could. Right, don't want to put a thing in there. Let's go to our library. Let's just see if it's made. Motion winner. Any sound? Yeah, there is. Hang on. It's still rendering. Hang on. It's getting there. It's getting there. So this is a very simple, because it's only 5 seconds. You can add text, okay, and you can make the character speak, but this is like somebody going from frustrated to solution. There you go. So then I could use this as a style, I could use it as a product, I can hide it from the brain if I don't want it to use it, I could delete it, okay, or I can use it as proof. I'll use it as proof, right? So it's saved to the brand brain now as proof. So I can also tell it, oh, by the way, this one isn't great, it didn't come out right. Okay, but that's just a demo for you, it's made it on the spot. Now then, so let's suppose then I do want to run an agency. Look at this. So I go into Facebook and I search for a food outlet, and they're not posting consistently, and they should be, but they're not going to hire a social media agency, I doubt. Okay, most small town, even cities, they're not. There's not really the profit margin in it for them to go and spend $1,500 a month on a social media client, social media agency, or even $500 a month. It's kind of that level where it's a bit funny. Guess what you can do here, guys? You just drop in your URL, okay, and it will go and it create for you some posts based on that business. Now, let me see if I can find one that I've just done. Yeah, here you go. So this is one that I've done for a place not too far from me, and this is what it produces. So you go and you find Pizza Choice Western, right? They're not actually posting consistently. I can message them and say, hey, Pizza Choice, you're not posting consistently. Lots and lots of people, 45% of UK consumers use social media to find new restaurants, right? That's 75% when it's Gen Z. Okay, and 41% say social media helps judge a restaurant if it's worth visiting. You may never know how many customers you lost this week. Okay, but for £25 a month for whatever you want to charge, I can see you not posting, so I've made you some free posts. Would you like to see them? I've made you some free posts. Would you like to see them? They come back and they say, yes. Right, well, I better get to work. I come here, I drop their URL in, right? I may have to add a couple of images sometimes if the stuff on their website isn't good. And I click a button, and within 5 minutes, I've got this. Within 5 minutes, I've got this that I send to them, right? Ta-da! And then I can say, hey, listen, if you'd like some more, let me know. I'll send you some more. If you'd like me to just post them for you as well and take care of it all, let me know. And then I can push the fact that it's AI, that's why it's so cheap. They can do it themselves if they want, but I've set my own page up to become like a little agency for them, because as you can see, This is Posting Pilot is doing it all for me. So if you want to know more about this, you just go to postingpilot.ai, postingpilot.ai, and you can go and check it out. It's time to promote this bad boy again. Now, some people, they get confused. There is a lot in here, right? And some people, from our experience, are still like, oh, I can see it's good. I just don't know. That was, Paul, that was like too much, right? I get it. Well, how would you like me to do it for you? How would you like me to do it for you? Like, I'm setting up that agency. Me and Eric can do it now, right? Using the agency for you. If you'd like your social media just done, whatever business you're in, talk to us. Talk to us first and we'll see where we stand, right? See if it's for you or not. And if it's not a fit, not a problem. But you could use the software for yourself. You could get us to do it for you. Speak to us. Catch you later.